Good day to you, Sir, Madam. I'm Josephine Casilla Hinova, Filipino. My religion is Roman Catholic. I am married. I have 2 children. My husband is working as a farmer. I am the 3rd child in the family.
Okay, good day to you, Miss Josephine. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you, Sir, Madam.
Okay, so what do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Sir, Madam, the right attitude of a good domestic helper must be honest, patient, trustworthy, and hardworking.
So can you tell us the proper way on how to take care of the children?
Sir, Madam, the proper way of taking care of children, take them a bath, giving them food on time, play with them, and love them as my own children.
So what if you committed mistakes? What to do?
Sir, Madam, I will say sorry and I will not do it again.
What is your last message or promise to your employer?
Sir, Madam, please do hire me because I really need their job, my family, and I will do my best and I promise to finish my contract in 2 years.
Thank you, Miss Josephine, and good luck.
Thank you, ma'am, sir.